Walk with me all summer long. We sang a song, and then we strolled that golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, like painted kites. Those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath the blue umbrella sky, and softer than a piperman, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind. The autumn wind and the winter wind, they have come and gone. And still the days, those lonely days, they go on and on. Guess who sighs his lullaby through nights that never end? My fickle friend, the summer wind, warm summer wind, the summer wind. Hello everybody. A little noon concert.
Hey Gary, what to say your name?
Hi, I'm Gary Russo from Queens.
Where are you working?
Working here on the 2nd Avenue subway, and we're trying to give back a little bit, lunchtime.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Gary.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
And this is Fish, and that's Gary, 2nd Avenue subway in New York City. Construction. See ya.